bringing Umshishi these games they're playing at Chelsea.
Especially when he was not playing with Sundowns.
Name into men's impact players. Not playing, come from a long injury.
Yeah.
Coach am exposed.
Yeah.
Yabo imyamlimaza namshi psychology. Imagine uyangena la uyafuthi imali khona. It's been a while ungadlala isifuba la sishise khona. Red card. And then imlimazile psychological.
South Africa got a red card and it's Themba Zwane. How old is Themba Zwane? Why is Themba Zwane at the World Cup? Was what? Umshishi batata. Umshishi ufika lapho seshaya usedlala ibhola lekhehle ukuchapha. How did that happen? He's never had such issues. Does he have any issues? But like the more you old you grow as you buy khehle bit ulala ekhehle.
Yazi ukubona ukuthi mayigagile mase banjiwe avela athuka ngathi akazi kodwa mina into engiqedayo i-facial expression yakho uThemba Zwane ukuthi uthuswa yini because uyenzile lento lena uyenzile like you hit the player on the face. Yes, I do understand ukuthi you're retaliating but ukuretaliate kwakho ubushaya ngempama obunye.
Hayi ngiyavuma sidliwa khona ukudliwa. Kodwa ngcono ngoba Umshishi ubonile ukuthi manje sekumele ezandleni. Angiphiki ukudliwa sidliwe futhi naye Umshishi noma naye bengafanele angane kodwa ngcono ngoba ukadlile. Ngaya phela adliwe nje. Sidliwe nje kanjalo. Sidliwe nje ngcono ngoba ukadlile. Hawu. Umshishi ubonile ukuthi manje ibhola isixakile. Kumele isize manje ugadla.
Lena ilose sizoblame ucoach lena ilose. Eka coach ka Hugo Bros. Lena ilose. Sinika yena. So blame yena. Apha sathi apha makasibize uTito. Wasibizela lo msambonisa izitstats kaTito. Sambonisa wathi ufuna uThemba Zwane, ufuna experience kaThemba Zwane. Usenzana namhlanje uThemba Zwane. Fine umbiza uThemba Zwane wakhe. Wambiza uRela kamfaka uRela. Umntana usifuka umuntu omdala 35. Umjida akekho na fit for the game uyamfaka. Because the tempo was too high. Yo. 5 minutes engenile ufumane red card. Hayi madoda ngeke. Hugo Bros makahambe. Nawe wena beke phansi ngobeka phansi ke dla liphumila likho mntana lokushiya ngempela.
Mara guys. Yo. Mshishi ne remetsang like what was the plan? And ke mrata Mshishi but I think Jelen, what was the plan? Do you know what the plan was? Did it make more sense to put Relo on, but would really have made a difference to that game? What?
O kenya Zwane ka metsotso mekalo Zwane o santsa kgathetse ma Sundowns ke a tseba tlolla but that's true Zwane Hotman laka mamela Zwane e re go jwetsa if no batla o bona the best of Zwane mo kadisele game ha o batla o bona the best of Zwane mo kadisele game a pass o mo kenya sale under pressure e se logana ntotlo yetsa mo mofukeng a ba kena o mo kgathela ngo sa motshepe Muteka never the player of season PSL. Ebe ha o motsepa o fika ka hare. How many goals are policy tsa di korileng a le mo? A kala o kena for bafana. O korile goal tseka ma go kenya di striker tse pedi. O bona ka ka bo Reina sa ba etse nix. Why? It is because abana supplier. Ha ona motho a gona go tshwara bolo a pass. Bo mrembola o tla bona ka ka ba etse nix. Hobane ba bapadiswa le batho ba sa ba tloelang bo sithole.
A good dancer knows when to leave the stage. That right there was the sign. Leave the football before the football leaves you, because the football has left you completely. Now, I'm speaking for all Sundowns supporters. I'm speaking for all of them, right? We won't defend anything. But at the same time, there's no room for disrespect for the GOAT. There's no room for disrespect for our legends.
That one, Mshishi, Steve, it's a careless mistake. Because he hit someone, Steve, off the ball. Off the ball. You see? And no. Yeah, but I can't blame Mshishi. I blame the coach. Because Mshishi, he forced Mshishi to go to World Cup. Mshishi was not ready for World Cup.
Who was ready, Mr.
People, they left people here.
Who?
Maswangani is here.
Yes, ready.
Ready for World Cup, Maswangani.
Ready to go.
He played a lot of games than Mushishi.
Yes.
Maswangani. But because
he doesn't get called.
Because this our coach has got favoritism, Stibo.
Yeah.
He take people that are not supposed to be there.
That's a
You
good
see?
point.
So, Stibo. So now we are on pressure now because we must play South Korea. We must search. Ne? So Stibo. I'm sure we'll come back. I don't think we'll go to the last 32. Yeah.
It'll be tough.
Yeah, it will be tough because now we have to win these 2 games.
As for Zwane, why was Zwane put in the match? I did not understand that substitution. Why was Zwane even taken to the World Cup? Didn't I know. Now I won't do anything here. Let me just slap someone and get myself a red card. Ross, you lost this one before it even started. I don't even know what you're defending.